Is the cow mooing in the background or the street hawkers yelling ruining your videos? Fan noise, keyboard clicks, background noise, traffic, AC hum, all these are definitely hampering your videos. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Python script that removes all of that automatically, completely free, no subscription, run right on your laptop, no Adobe, no cloud, nothing, no subscription, and no money. So let's get right into it. For this one, we'll need to install some of the modules. So the modules that we're using is pip install noisereduce, soundfile, and numpy. And then I've created a Python script that also linked in the description, which is the actual noise reducer. So in this we are using the module numpy, soundfile, and noise reduce. And then what you need to do is whatever video or audio that you want to reduce the sound of, you just need to supply it to this script. So let's just run it. I'll do python noise canceller.py, and then I'll use which noise reduction strength. I'll use 3, and if you'll see, it has already made a noisy clean video or audio. Okay, I'll try to see if I can do a comparison of this noise in OBS, but if not, you just heard both of the noise and there's a considerable difference. So that's all for today. Try this Python script, it's linked in the description, and let me know what you think of it. Thank you. This is the sound. Hello, welcome to my channel. Try to succeed, and today we'll learn how to reduce noise in your video or audio recordings. So let's see how this works. Hello, welcome to my channel. Try to succeed, and today we'll learn how to reduce noise in your video or audio recordings. So let's see how this works.